Regular viewers of this channel might recall that about 9 months ago, and it was the back end of April 2024, I was stood more or less in this spot and I was showing you footage of some uncovered tram lines that had been hidden beneath the tarmac of Bridge Street for donkey's years. And I did actually say in that video that you needed to come down to Bradford to make the most of the spectacle of a long lost section of Bradford's transport network. But I'm actually quite relieved and happy to tell you that the tram lines have actually been incorporated into the new pedestrianised Bridge Street, and you can see them here. Now the tracks themselves do appear to have received some sort of restoration treatment, and I like the fact that you can also see a junction piece over there. X marks the spot. Just a pity really there's a few tab ends lodged within the lines, but no, I approve of this. It's always good to celebrate our history's past because we do have positive elements. So yeah, well done, Bradford Council.